Hey everyone, how's it going? I have just received my Nvidia RTX 4080 through the post. This is the Founders Edition, so I am really excited about this, and I wanted you guys to all be part of the unboxing journey with me. So let's jump right in and get this thing opened up. First things first, here's our Stanley knife, and let's take this. Pretty standard stuff here. Just oh, the blade's a little bit loose, but never mind. Okay, and I have to say this is quite a heavy box. I mean, for a graphics card, it's pretty heavy. So I'm quite curious to see what's in here. So let's take out the bubble wrapping, and what do you know? We've got another box. So let's take this thing out. Probably gonna have to tip it upside down, so let's just do that here. Okay, lovely. All right, and it looks like I can't really open this, so I'm gonna have to turn this upside down again. All right, let's get this thing turned upside down. Okay, and here we go. Wow, look at that. That is probably the most impressive packaging I have ever seen for not just a graphics card, but pretty much anything. So looks like I need to pull these apart. Look at that. That is amazing. And now I understand why the packaging is so heavy. I mean, even this, look at this. This is massive right here. But this box, I mean, look at that. Isn't that amazing? All right, let's get this thing taken out. Okay, let's move this out of the way. I mean, how is that for packaging, guys? That is just crazy. Look at that. Oh, I can't believe this. All right, so let's get this thing open from the sides. Tear that off. I think I have to do the same on the other side, so let's tear that off. And here we go. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. All right, guys, you ready? Let's open this up. Wow. Oh my goodness. Just have a look at this, guys. Just look at that. Wow. Crazy. I have to say, I mean, I've not put this graphics card in my computer just yet, but I mean, based on the packaging, if I was to give it a rating, I'd probably give it a massive 10 out of 10. Well, maybe 9 out of 10 because it's so heavy, but yeah, that is crazy. Look at the size of this monster. What an absolute beast. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of my unboxing. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Take care.